Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to have a look in a PDF file and search for a particular word. So before we start, you need to import this module here, and what you'll need to do, you'll need to install it using pip. So it's going to be pip install pypdf2 at the command line. Okay, I've created a variable here and I've assigned it to my desktop path. So that's the desktop path for me. Your desktop path will be different from this, so you're just going to have to find out what yours is. And also we import the OS module here, and that comes as standard in Python. So we've got os.chdr change directory, and we're going to change directory into this path. Then we're going to create a function called search PDF. I create a variable here, assign it to input, and type in enter PDF. So the user will enter the PDF name, so that's going to be something like file.pdf. And then I've created another variable called search term. I've assigned that to input and typed in search word, so the user will enter a word that they want to search for inside the PDF document. Now I've created file here, open PDF, so we're going to open the PDF file and we're going to read it in binary mode. Then I've created a variable here called reader and assigned it to pypdf.pdfreader file, so this is going to read through the file. And then we're going to loop through the pages, so we do that by for page in reader.pages. Create a variable here called text, page.extract text. And now we're going to search through that variable there, so if text and search term dot lower in lowercase in text.lower, print found search term, so we're using the F string here to interpolate that into it, the search term. Or else, if we haven't found the word, we print word not found. Okay, so I've already got the PDF file on my desktop, so we're going to try this out. Let's just run it. Make it bigger like that so you can see it. Enter PDF. My PDF is called narc.pdf. Okay, enter. My search word, I think perfect. Big document, so we should be able to find a few occurrences of that word in it. So let's hit enter, and we're searching through this now. So word not found, word not found, word not found. Okay, we found a word here called perfect. Okay, so we found that. So let's try it again. And let's have a look for a word we can search for. Let's have a look here. So this is the book called Surrounded by Narcissists, because I work with one or two. So let's have a look at usually here. So let's let's run that. And this is going to be narc.pdf, narc.pdf, usually. Enter. Okay, found an instance of the word usually, found another one, and found another one. Let's just make it a little bit smaller, like that. So it's searching through every single page and it's finding instances of that word usually. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.